What's going on, everybody? It's me, Jacob, with River City Fit. Today we're gonna go over some bicep curls. Alright guys, so the way that we do a bicep curl is by pinning those shoulders back, making sure they stay back so we can really isolate those biceps. So I'm gonna be working with a barbell today. You can certainly do this with dumbbells, but basically shoulders back, core nice and tight, and then really isolating that bicep.
Oh yeah.
Keeping those shoulders pinched the whole time. Keeping that elbow nice and tucked, right? What we don't want to see is like
some freaking bro reps here.
Right? We're just putting our back in, and it's not a great exercise. So guys, keep those shoulders pinned back, keep our core tight, and really isolate those biceps.